Hi friends, welcome back to Hugo says. Today, Hugo's gonna show me how you see his tool set and his G-ball got him, and he's gonna do it, and then he's gonna put on a hat, and you can take off the hat, and he's gonna go on it today.
That's right, Hugo. In today's episode, Hugo's going to play with his new tool set that he got from his G-Paw. Why don't you guys take a look?
Hi friends, today Hugo's gonna play his new tool set.
Yeah, and you got a hat? Is it hard? Yeah. All right, show us your new tool set. Do you want to take the hat off? This is a really cool tool set that Hugo's G-Paw got him. Hugo, can you show us how to do the different tools? Where's the hammer tool? How do you use a hammer?
Wanna hit it?
Yep, that way. Good. All right, and you put that one back. Will it fit in there? There you go. Okay, and this is a walkie-talkie. You can talk in it like, hello, hello. This is a screwdriver. Put it up there.
This is a screwdriver.
Yeah, screwdriver. Show me how you put the little screws down there into the holes. Can you do that? Very good.
You got this screwdriver.
Yeah, and then you screw them into the different spots there. You got these ones too that can go and turn. This is a really cool little table, huh? And you can practice doing your tools, using your tools.
I'm gonna put the screwdriver back.
Yeah, put the screwdriver back up there.
You're gonna.
That's a wrench.
You're gonna.
Mm-hmm.
No, in the wrench back in the morning.
You like the wrench on the side?
That's
A wrench.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye, friends!
That's right. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bye, friends!